Today I'll show you how to make Danish butter cookies. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, add the butter, the sugar, and the salt. With the help of an electric mixer, whip until pale and fluffy. Add the vanilla extract and the egg. Mix until everything is well incorporated. Gradually add the flour, beating just until it's incorporated. To avoid overmixing the dough when there is hardly any more flour visible, I recommend that you finish mixing with a spatula. Now it's time to shape the cookies. In a piping bag, put a star tip. I used Wilton's 1M. Add about 1/3 of the dough. This dough is quite dense, so putting a small amount will make the process easier. Shape the cookies. When you have finished shaping them, with a finger dipped in water, you can flatten the end. And it's time to bake them for about 15 minutes, rotating the tray midway until they are lightly brown around the edges. Remove from the oven, and once they are cool, it's time to enjoy them. If you like this recipe, don't miss those two.